Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 22nd day of January 2026. And here we go again with our trade of the day. We just got finished with the U.S. closed live trading room. And this is a trade taken in the room today by myself and others live. So here it goes. We look at the setup here. We have a bunch of buyer candles, even though they are um, some of them are strong candles and they have all paid. Even the top has a small target, but I would expected that last one to go a lot further. It fails completely and gives me a very strong candle going in the opposite direction. That is a massive, massive signal right there. So all we need is to do is to push up, fail one more time. We'll put our order either underneath the candle or on the body, and we'll just let it go down. Now, right now, I expect the next candle to be anywhere between, let's say, 80 and 50 ticks. So we'll go with this is a pretty start of a move hitting short. So we're going to go with a little bit larger ATM. We're going to go for 20s for risk control. Then we'll go for runners of 50 and 100. So here it goes. So we just need it to push up a little bit first. Push up. Come on. You can do it. There you go. That's enough. Just let it come through. And we should be all good. This happens pretty quickly. So we'll keep it at one times regular market speed until we get picked up in the trade, make sure all our targets get set. And then if we need to, we will quicken it so we're not here all day. So that's a perfect retrace. Okay. Actually, our stop is almost where it needed to be. So just put a last major failure point. We're in, we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and speed it up just a little bit. When our first target gets hit, we'll lessen the risk from all the way up here till just over probably the top of this current candle. So we're going for 21 tick targets, which means 20 ticks of profit, 1 tick to pay fees. So we'll move our stop to minus 18 so that we make sure all of our fees are paid. And if it comes back and takes us out after our first targets can hit, that'll be a break-even trade. But then we can trade very, very well, very easily because we're not putting ourselves under such pressure. We just de-risk the trade after the first target gets hit. There it goes. Boom. You see the stop came down to minus 18. Now we'll speed it up a little bit. Now there is a brick wall there, and this is such a big move. Those long candles were so weak, and then we turn around and get a massive one coming back the other way. That's pretty doggone good. Maybe one more. This is kind of slow right now. Nothing like yesterday. Yesterday was crazy. All right, so second target's out. So we can't lose any money. All we can do is make money on this trade. We still got a minus 18. We've already got 2 times 20 and then a 50. So we have 90 ticks in profit. We have a minus 18 outstanding. So the worst is we can have a 72 tick profit at this point. There's no reason to get out of the trade, so we'll just let it run. Whenever you have larger targets, it's going to probably take more than 1 or 2 candles. We saw that we expected the next candle to be around 56 to 60 ticks, and that next candle actually was around 80 ticks. So you just need to let the next one go, and boom, there it goes. All right, so that particular trade took about a little less than 8 minutes to complete and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in 8 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com, home of the strong candle indicator, which is we use on a daily basis, that you know if you've seen us for any amount of time. An amazing signal when you learn how to use it properly. So come and join us. We look forward to having you in the room. Until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.